Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1955 Chevrolet. This is a 210. Love this car, man. Who doesn't like a black on black 55 Chevy, though? Gorgeous car. This is an original California car. It's got a good solid body. Normally, you know, all the problem spots on a 55 with the frame rails and stuff like this. This thing is clean. I think it's just at like 4,000 miles on the restoration on this car. Very nice. Buddy of mine's the one who actually got this car for me, and then he took it to a big cruise. 90-degree heat, stuck in traffic. Said this thing never got over 185 with the air blowing ice cold. Pretty car, tuxedo black paint. It is a post car, the 210, which I like. I'm a post guy. It's sitting on 18-inch American Racing's new American Racing torque thrust with new rubber all the way around it. I like the old school louvered hood. I thought that was pretty cool. Again, nice car, straight car. You can see they have updated the headlights. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks, but not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I dig it. I think it's a super cool car. It's got a 400 cubic inch small block, punched out 30 over, which is a 406. That is healthy. This thing will definitely get with the program. Muncie 4-speed. It's got dual quads, and it's got vintage air. Little mark there in the paint. Padded dash, and I like that louvered hood. I thought that was super cool. One thing I want to tell you guys, man, I cannot thank all the people enough that are reaching out. They've noticed I've been ill. I think you guys have watched. The veterans of these videos have immediately reached out and could tell something was wrong. I appreciate it, guys, getting better every single day. I apologize for the mistakes I've been making. I called a Ford a Chevy the other day, gave the wrong year to a car, but like I say, my health is outstanding. I'm getting bigger, getting better and stronger every day. So, but really appreciate all the emails and all the love, guys. I really do. Look how straight that car is down the sides. Blue dot taillights. This is all LED. I thought that was pretty cool. And it's got a great sound. It's got electric dumps on a dual exhaust system in it. Look how flat that car is down the sides. Like I say, original California body, so it's clean. It's got a L in the VIN, which is Los Angeles, which was where it was built. They've upgraded it to front disc brakes. That is a slick car. Again, 406 dual quads, MSD ignition, vintage air blows ice cold. It will freeze you out of there. It's got the aluminum water pump. It's got the stainless headers, power front disc brakes, finned aluminum valve covers, MSD ignition with a Pro Billet distributor. Again, Muncie 4-speed. Big Be Cool aluminum radiator with electric fans. And like I say, he had this thing in the cruise, 90 degrees out, in traffic, stop and go traffic. He said 185 with the air on and the windows up. Yeah, getting through these videos a week ago, man, I was out of breath. It's about 96 out here today. It is warm. Mirrors are nice. Little mark there in your trim. You can see, you can find some on all of them, guys. New sill plates, new carpet. It's got a cool digital dash that lights up in red, and Jordan starts it, you can see that. Nice seat, the padding's nice, very comfortable. It's got the Hurst shifter. Again, we'll show you when he starts it up, you can see the dash and everything. It's got an aftermarket radio, power rear antenna. Again, it's got dual exhaust with electric jumps. It is a 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Jacks in the trunk here. There's your power antenna. Clean old car. Air shocks in the rear. You see, it's just painted black here, but it's clean as can be. Ooh, it is warm. Car's got a great sound, little thump to it. Car's nice and clean underneath. Milodon oil pan underneath there. Very impressive with how straight it is. That's the nice thing about a black car, man. You can't take an old lumpy car and paint it black. It'll show you every little wave. And this thing is straight. Good looking car. Even they put the clock in there. You can see all the new carpet. It's got the right carpet with the bit. It's got the billet fuel pedal on it. I'm sweating here, holy mackerel. Glass is good on the car. He's already got the air on. The air's already on, yeah. It's already on, you can click it off. There you go. Good sounding small block, guys. That thing will run. Here's your updated headlights. Those are cool. Look how, I'm just telling you, the paint is slick on this old car. Oh, I'm sorry, 7357 on your odometer. I think I said 4,000. 7357. Parking brake works, guys. Got the blue dot tail lights. Again, it's kind of old school. I dig it. Got good sound, man. Good sound. Clock works. Blower motor works. That works. I think.
Yeah, it's changing something.
Oh. That blower motor, boy, that air feels good, doesn't it? Again, all your gauges light up red. I thought that was pretty cool. That air feels good in there. Doors open and close nice. Wipers do work. Yeah, I never turned them on. Those headlights are cool, man. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook pages. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a slick 55 Chevy right there. That all lights up LED. I don't know if I showed you that. Boy, a lot of traffic.